All right, what's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be talking about problem solving versus overthinking, because sometimes people think they're the same thing when they're not. So when you're overthinking, pretty much you're having ruminating negative thoughts. Pretty much you're like circling a thought that's negative without forming a solution. There's no type of workable solution that's coming up. When you're problem solving, you're still identifying the issue. You'll be like, what's the issue? But then when you're working towards problem solving, what happens is you'll be like, what can I do about it? And what's the next step or useful action that I should take? So the way you want to look at it is overthinking is any type of thought that is ruminating in your mind that causes distress. It's going to narrow your perspective. It's going to make decision making more difficult for you. Problem solving, on the other hand, you still identify the issue, but it creates structure, it gives you options, and then you start moving towards workable solutions. It's all in the way that you kind of like frame the thinking in your mind. Okay, so the problem is there regardless, but whether you're going to circle into rumination or circle towards problem solving is up to you. All right. So what you want to do is when you get a negative thought or something like that that comes in that's kind of like bothering you, you can't move past it. Say you're trying to like decide on something you want to do for work, right? Don't get caught in like, I need to get this done, I need to get that done, I need to get this done, I need to get that done. No, think about it like this. Say, the issue is that I need work. The other issue is I lack training. I need to go to a school or some type of program and look at the options that are available. And that way you're moving towards a workable solution without having to have everything figured out. Don't get caught like in the planning, because that turns into overthinking. We want to get into problem solving. All right. So pretty much any type of issue, any type of like problem is anything that makes you ruminate without finding a solution. If you haven't found a solution, you're dealing with the same problem, I don't care how long it is, you are overthinking, and you're not going to get out of it until you take some type of action. All right. See you guys next week. Later. Stupid dog.